for wig of the day. She brought me her hair in a bag. But nonetheless, best believe we are using some Maven bundles today. From Maven, we're using 22 inches, 3 bundles of 22 inches. So we got uno, dos, tres Maven bundles. Hold on. And the closure is a 4x4 18-inch. I will leave my Maven link for you guys down below. Use code Amore at checkout. Okay, make sure you click my link. But let's get started on the wig of the day. I do have her measurements, so I am going to be measuring. If you want a wig by me, every wig that I make, unless specified otherwise, is available for sale on my website at amorelovebeauty.com. I can't believe I'm finally saying that. Anyways, it's live, y'all. Go get it every single day. If you see it, it is available. This one, it's not for you. This is for my client. But I will say that this has been posted on the website. So yeah. It's finally happening. But like I said, let's get started on this wig of the day. My name is Amore Love. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Tell me in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. While we have all this prepping to do, my main thing first, work smarter, not harder. Bleach your knots first, because you already know that's gonna take some time. But here is the HD lace. Very nice, very nice. And it also comes a little thinned out for you, so you don't have to do too much plucking like before. You'll just break up that hairline and add some baby hairs. Oh, this is my melt belts. I also have these in black with lavender. This is white with lavender. You can also buy these on the website. But anyway, I'm gonna do 1 scoop. I'm gonna let it sit like that and process, and I need to go wash my hands. This is why you should wear gloves. But just because I'm sitting right here and I'm already right here, I'm going to double F my bundles. So we got 22 inches of water wave texture. The texture popping. Here is a bundle of 20. Is my hair 22 inches? I think so. We got the 3 bundles of the body wave. I mean, I keep saying body wave. Not deep wave, not body wave. This is water wave. So, yeah. All right, boom. Come on, do this like that. Boom. I'm just gonna keep on doing this for all 3 bundles until I get to end. My bobbin ran out. Another life hack if you are a wig maker. Clearly I've been a little lazy. I'll leave this thing linked below as well. You can have all your colors already set up and all ready to go, so you don't have to stop and bob your bobbins. You just pre-bob the bobbins, and this is like 10 bucks maybe at most. So I'll leave this linked for you below. But once I'm done, I just put the empty one in the place of the one I just took. Keep it moving, you know what I'm saying? A life hack. Okay, I'm going based off her measurements. Let me just take a screenshot. I'm gonna go off her measurements and begin to chalk. I have like a little chalk pen. Draw the lines. Anyways, I'm just doing lines, y'all. I'm just doing lines. Ooh, don't clip that. I ain't doing no lines. I'm drawing lines on a wig cap. I don't do lines, never have, never will. That is not my steez. And if you do lines, you need to rethink your life and your habits and your addiction, sweetheart. Because that's no bueno. Especially with the F word going around and all of that stuff. Y'all need to be real careful. Don't be doing no lines. Don't be doing no anonymous lines. Don't be doing no lines you ain't bought and see and test for yourself. Be safe. So like I said, I'm drawing lines on this wig cap because I don't do lines. Oh my God. Don't clip that. Don't clip that. Also, now that I have the lines on the cap, I'm going to take one of my tags because when I make the wig from scratch, I include my tags. If you just sending me a wig to customize, I am not using my tags on you because I did not make that. That did not come from me. I just customized it and colored it for you, styled it for you, and sent that back. That was not made on my machine, so it does not get my tags, okay? Just straight down and straight down. It's really not that deep. Real quick, real easy. You know what I'm saying? All right, boom, the tag is on. Now I can begin sewing. Okay, so we're gonna do that like that. We're gonna do that like that. The most important thing you want to remember is to just keep everything flat and straight. Don't let it bunch up. Don't be stretching nothing. Don't be moving nothing. Just make sure as it's under that pressure foot is flat. Then I just cut it before I let it get under there so I can see where the real end is going to be. And boom, we didn't get any bunching. That was the first weft. All done. I'm just gonna cut the threads off. And I'm literally just about to repeat that, y'all. I'm just gonna repeat that, okay? Okay, all right. I kind of like put my finger down here on the row I sewed previously, and then I put this finger just to like make the fabric not bunched up or stretched. So it's like that just lays over. But that's what my finger's doing. It's just moving that down so nothing is bunched as I sew. Like that, I'm gonna go rinse out this because it's looking about done. So yeah. Second bundle. I'm just gonna go right where I left off. Just had to go rinse that out real quick. But yeah, I'm just doing the same thing, y'all. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Maybe I should just come back when I'm done so y'all can see how I style it and pluck it and baby hair it and package it. I'm finishing the last bit on the wig of the day. So nice, so neat, yeah, yeah. Now it's time to pluck and style and deliver. Okay, so now I just have to cut off the excess lace. Now the real work begins. What do I need to do next? What do I need to do next? So many things. It's dripping. Okay. So gorgeous. So let's take her off. Then I like to shake it on up, scrunch it on up every which way. Also, I want to get my heater on this right now so it can start drying. Now we want the Nairobi foaming loop, some tweezers, and a comb. I'm just going to pluck away, y'all. See where I'm going with that? Do I need to put you a little closer? Yeah. Okay. Now I just take the fine tooth side and comb out all the excess again. That's gonna be cute. Do it to this side. See, just a little bit, minor plucking. And do a little bit more. See? Boom, bat, bow. Real simple, real easy, very mindful, very demure. Let this dry and package her up, shiny. She's almost done drying, yeah, she's almost done drying. The makeshift is crazy. She cute zone. I just want to show y'all on an actual face. Let me actually try. Hold on. I'm over here just like, yeah, there it goes. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the wig of the day. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, because if it's not for a client, it's going on the website. And if you want the wig of the day, you need your post notifications on, because somebody might grab it before you. So good luck, and thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Feel free to leave some suggestions in the comments on what I should create next. Feel free to send in your own bundles to see your wig being made on Wig of the Day. My Bring Your Own Bundle service for all of December is only $200. Normally it's $250. So for all of December, I'm taking $50 off. You can send me your bundles and see your wig made. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.